Do you recognize that feeling when you've had your holiday and you feel quite well rested? But then as soon as you go back to work, within 5 seconds, your holiday feeling is gone.
With the Alexander technique, this can be really different because you'll learn how to bring yourself back to calm while leading your daily life.
Do you want to learn this too?
Come join our Alexander Technique Summer Week in France.
We are
Maaike
and Doris, and we have been teaching the Alexander technique since 2003.
As a violinist, I was able to play again after many years of injuries.
And I was able to deal with my stage fright and became much calmer in my daily life and on stage.
With the Alexander technique, you learn how to bring back calm in both body and mind. You learn how to move more freely and more powerfully. And you learn how to keep your breathing going in all your daily life activities.
This way you will be able to bring your holiday feeling back to your work.
During the Alexander Technique Summer Week, you will get various individual lessons and group workshops on many daily life activities, and you will learn skills to bring ease into your walking, running, sitting at the computer, bending,
swimming, playing a musical instrument, and even we are going to look at how you sleep.
Come join us in Fontaine-Saint-Clair in the north of France.
It's a wonderful place with beautiful nature,
wonderful food,
and lots more to enjoy. Does this seem perfect? Then sign up in the link below.